This is our weekend trip. We went May long weekend 2019 to Dry Island Buffalo Jump. We stayed at Tolman East Campground for a couple nights and then headed off to Drumheller to have a look at the Tyrrell Museum. For supper the first night, we cooked up the Sunnybrook sausages, old-fashioned farmer sausage. Comes from Crete, Alberta, little town in northern Alberta. They were okay. I give them 3 out of 5 stars only. We got up the next morning, prepared to head off to Dry Island Buffalo Jump, made some coffee in the press. And you might be a redneck when you have solo cup wine glasses. So we arrived at the park. This is looking down into the valley. That is Dry Island Buffalo Jump Provincial Park, and that's the Red Deer River down below. So these are some of the cliffs they used to drive the buffalo over. That's why they call it a buffalo jump, because they were used by Native Americans for hunting. So this is the Dry Island, where the park got its name.
He's looking at us.
The only wildlife we saw that day was one lone doe mule deer. You make your way down from the top to the day use area, and it was actually quite nice. There's picnic tables, fire pits, drop toilets, and there is water available. This is the Red Deer River right by the Tolman campgrounds. It's a great river to kayak in. We enjoyed our time on the water. We did see people catching fish as well. Good fishing in the area. Here's a view of Tolman West and Tolman East campgrounds. Tolman West is more open. Tolman East has more private campsites. And there's a little bit of hiking available in the campground as well. These next pictures were taken just outside of the campground. Sunday we headed to the Tyrrell Museum. It was very busy, but these next pictures, these teeth were actually found in Dry Island Buffalo Jump Provincial Park. This is my first YouTube video. Thank you for watching.